Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the next Vata 2 manual mode, acro mode flight. Today we are in Herdeka by these stones. There's a sign there that I read, but I can't remember what it is. It's Eileen, my wife's birthday today. So before we continue, make sure everyone writes happy birthday Eileen in the comment. We went out today to have a nice meal and a walk around, and obviously because she's my loving wife, she let me have a fly of my drone as well to be my spotter, which makes things a lot easier for me. Anyway, I wanted to capture this lovely sky, but also wanted to capture these stones and do a little bit of orbiting around it, see what speeds I could get up to, and see whether I could have enough confidence in myself to fly through the middle of them at speed. And as we go through the 5 minutes, you see towards the end I do have the confidence. Now, I've done lots of flying like this on the simulator, no problem, and I'll zoom through this at whatever speed. But when you have a 500-600 euro drone that could break, it starts making you think twice. And I don't like breaking stuff, to be honest with you. I don't like spending money on something that I broke. So with a little bit of time, a little bit of practice, you get faster and faster and faster. Now, I do advise practicing this type of stuff in the simulator first for however many hours, however many crashes you need, because it is all about confidence, and you have to know how to do a yaw spin first of all. This is a yaw spin, what I'm doing now. Is basically just keeping the main subject as per the stones right now roughly in center, and then just spinning around and being able to get out of it nice and easily and not hitting the floor. And we just keep doing it. We're basically doing like a kind of figure of 8 around these stones, or sometimes we're just doing a circle around it. But I'm just keeping going to work out what speed I can go up there and when I'm ready to go through that hole. And once I feel it in my head that I can see that hole, I know exactly where it is, and I know how to get there, I know how to get out of it, I know what's in the way, and I've tested the wind and this, that and the other, then I start deciding to do the move, shall we say. And I just started with this bin, and I started coming down as well, having a good look here, see when I see the hole. And as you can see here, I've had another look now, and I come back round again, and I'm slowly going, okay, I know I can go through this, and I have another look from top, and I can see, okay, the next turn, and we can have a go through. So and now I know at what speed I can pretty much go through that hole, and that there's no wind or prop wash or anything like that going through it. And we have another attempt. There we go. See, and especially I start going around that sign and around that bin later on, just to give myself that little bit more confidence, because obviously I don't want to smash into rocks, because people will probably see me smash into rocks, and I'd rather smash into a sign that can be replaced first of all. But either way, it's just nice. It's a nice practice. You've got a bit of grass there, and if it falls down, it falls down. If it crashes into the stone, it crashes into the stone. I'm not guessing it's going to break, but it's a really good skill to learn how to do, to be able to do a good yaw spin and orbit around things, and do it fast as well, because the faster you can do it sometimes the better it is, and you can start doing nifty little turns. With that said, I hope that you enjoy this one content. It's only a short video, but as you can see from all of my Avata 2 videos now, and my DJI Neo videos, my confidence is building. It's not to do with the skill, it's all just my confidence basically with being outside flying the drone. So if you did like it, then don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, share, and if you haven't written in the comment section down below already, happy birthday to my wife Eileen, this is the time to do it now. Anyway, with that said, thank you very much for watching this video all the way through to the end. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. I really love flying the drones. It gets me outside, it gets me in the fresh air, and it's just a really enjoyable thing to do. It's a super expensive hobby, as I'm sure you're aware, but it's one of them hobbies that just gets you outside. So with that said, Eileen is now basically waving goodbye to you, which is an indication to me that we need to start finishing off. Yeah, if you haven't liked, subscribed, shared the video already, then this is the time to do it. Otherwise, if you've got any questions, feedback or concerns, let's start as always a conversation in the comment section down below. Yeah, why not check out some of my other drone videos or programming videos or anything like that, my living in Germany videos, my British Dorm videos. I've got 600 plus videos about a whole bunch of different topics. As always, it's time to land the drone and say goodbye. Ciao, ciao.